light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. Nighttime video. Feathers up. We're not just talking. We actually living it. American pride. You know what I'm saying? Walking my DOG. I was making sure some things had to get done. I did get distracted today. It was by choice. It was by absolute choice. And I watched it happen. It was just like, what was out of it? You know what I'm saying? But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM at info@healingthroughinspiration on Instagram. I'm sorry, you can send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, but you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, I don't know why not. Just thinking and looking, y'all. Just thinking and looking. A lot of things changing. I see a full moon. I just see changes. Y'all can, if it was a night video, I got my freaking I got a jacket, hoodie. I got a hoodie and a jacket on. Really? You dig? I got them on because it's cold. It's cold, and here it is. It's getting freaking cold, and I'm just not comfortable with this. I'm not comfortable with this at all. I don't like this. And as well as I'm just doing some thinking. I'm doing some thinking as far as like, before I started filming, before I started filming, I was walking and I see this dude in this motorcycle. No. These motherfuckers. And then I see him walk, and I start walking beforehand, and I'm walking with my dog, and I was walking, and I'm like, I wasn't gonna stop, because pedestrians got the right of way, and he wanna get in his motorcycle, and he wanna try to nosy on past in between, just to go forward or whatever. I'm just like, what are you trying to accomplish? Like, you couldn't wait to go around? But I'm like, would it have been if I had just if he had got knocked off his bike? This or that. Because I guarantee it was a hybrid. Under that. Regardless, it was a, just stupid, arrogant ass person. I mean, you get anywhere faster. But yeah, it just kind of goes to reflect the show changes. Gotta change around here. I'm seeing things. Like I really am. And I'm seeing things for what they are. Like I'm seeing same junky motherfucker around here. Just got a bottle in his hand. I'm just like, yo, this isn't productive. Full moon. I'm thinking about painting the moon. That moon is so pretty. Hopefully the camera picks up because I got on this mode. It's an overcast, yes, if y'all can't see it. But and I'm just watching, and I see the neediness of the narcissist. The neediness of the narcissist. This motherfucker wants to be around us so much. It's like a toxic. It's a toxic motherfucker, yo. Toxic as hell. I'm just like, I'm getting sick of being around him. It's like I'm about to burn some sage just so I can get the negative energy around. I gotta buy some more. Another store that's close by, I got it, but it's probably not. I'm gonna have to order online. But it's just like, man, I need to definitely feeling of needing to hurry up and get the frig up out of here. I got work to do. So things should be further put into place, because there's a lot of things I was focusing on, a lot of things I had to juggle, especially for this month, what they call August. That was that was rather it was challenging, most definitely. I feel like we're excelling more of it, still as it. But yeah. When I'm just kind of taking in things, I'm just taking things in as they are. Got to move on to better things. There's no reason to be around Debbie Downers, people that's not trying to excel in life, and that's a lot of the things you can see here. A lot of the things you see here. A lot of the things you see here. For a lot of these situations, for me, people be how old they are. They call themselves old, cause hey, old old is parallel with dying. You dig? It's like, dang, y'all ain't do nothing better. You ain't had no plans, nothing else better for your life. I mean, you want to claim that you're old because you know so much, but you had all this time. So it's like, what is these rabbits be out here, cuz? Like you had all this time, quote unquote time, to do stuff. And you saying that you know stuff. Well, what was it? Hey, but man's gotta explore. Man's got all these seeds, and I gotta plant them. That's just real. That's just real as what it is. I got all these seeds, and I gotta plant them. Yeah, got all these seeds. And really it just shows the representation as far as like what these gifts and whatnot. We gotta plant them. Gotta be abundant. Gotta excel. You dig? Yeah. And I think as far as as we expressed to y'all, we've been meeting a lot of other challenges with this stuff, and just use them, I guess, as obstacles in order to grow. Sometimes it could be a little deterrent or whatnot. Like as far as with the YouTube, we used to just be able to upload it straight from the device, but then now we gotta download it from a cloud, onto the computer, and the computer we gotta put it on there, and it's just like, hey, it can, but that I won't use it as an excuse, cause yeah, but yeah, just know we got a lot of great things, a lot of better things coming for you guys. A lot of great things, a lot of better things coming. That's why I said to you, we got our business course too, because we're working on a business, and of course, best business course I've ever taken. We got it in the description box for you guys below. So I want you guys to get with it, and also want you guys to like, comment, subscribe. And you guys book a one-on-one consultation. You can do that by sending us a DM at healingthroughinspiration for sure. And also get with our apparel at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Or there's a lot of. Oh, be careful. Be careful. So yeah, be sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Peace, love, and light.